so welcome to Saturday in the Studio. I'm super excited to be sharing this with you. I got this off a Facebook ad and I've been seeing these quite a bit lately. Now, anybody that's been following me forever knows that I've wanted to learn how to do quilling, and I have a few supplies here, but I just haven't found the time to do the quilling or anything like that. I love this form of artwork, and so I sort of watched the little video that came with it. It was all about how you can do it. It's for beginners. It's relaxing, it's easy, it's creative, it's good for you. For any level of painter or anything like that. Now, it's not a paint by numbers, it is quilling. And basically, from what I've seen on the ad, and I haven't opened it, you can see it's still sealed. So this is all new to me, both you and I. It's a new hobby that I've wanted, as I said, wanted to get into for some time. And I'm going to open this up for you. Again, this is going to be a present for Mia, whether I do it for this Christmas or for her birthday next year, to go into her room, because she loves things, all things nature. So I'm going to open it up, and I'm just trying to find a spot where I can open it without hitting the product. So this is how it come packed. It was in another bag to protect it. Now, apparently it comes with the board. It comes with all the things that I need. So, and I'm not sponsored by this company. I purchased this out of my own money because it's something that I wanted to, they call it, is that filigree? You pronounce that filigree? But it's quilling essentially. So basically, it's same principles and stuff like that. So you can see here from the picture, which I'll bring up a little bit closer for you, that it's all paper, and yeah, it's glued down and all that sort of stuff, and you can hang it on the wall, not a problem. Or you can put it in a shadow box or a drop box or something like that. So it's supposed to come with a board to make it super easy for you to place things, and it's supposed to come with everything that I need, paper, the whole lot. All right, and it does. Look at that. So that's everything out of the parcel. So the only thing, from what I can see, it doesn't come with the glue, but that's okay. I've got plenty of glue here to use for that. It comes with a set of tweezers and like a little, looks like a tailor's awl. It's got plastic around it. Let's see if I can get that off. It does look like a tailor's awl. That's probably why it's got all that plastic around it, so you don't stab yourself. Oh, let me see. Can I get it off? Yeah, no, that's not coming off. But yeah, just looking at that, that looks like a tailor's awl. So that's what you'll use for the basic idea behind quilling. It's twisted paper and stuff like that. So basically, you roll the paper around, it puts a curl in it and stuff like that. It also comes with placement tweezers. It also comes with a little glue bottle. As I said, just need to get some glue to put in that, but I have glue here for quilling anyway, because I did buy a whole heap of stuff. I bought a kit off eBay, but I've just never got to it. So it came with all the tools and everything. Comes with that, which is awesome. It comes with the instructions. So I can't see. This is like a foam. So it tells me what the colours are here. And then basically I've just got to work out the colour position. So it doesn't come with real good instructions. Excuse me. But it's got it printed out. And these are like little grooves. So the paper is supposed to sit in these grooves to make it super easy. And I thought that would be a perfect way to start. So it comes with all your coloured paper as well. There's no more instructions. That's just the coloured paper. And it comes with your, and this is like a foam. Don't know if you can hear that, but it's like a thick foam, and then it's got grooves cut into it. So basically your paper sits in those grooves. So you put the glue in, and there was a video on the ad so I could look at it. I looked at it, how they were doing it. So it's pretty much straightforward. I've just got to put the colours down. It just says, please confirm the colour, and there's no anything else that comes with it. I could probably see the colours a bit better on that picture there, but you know, placement is probably up to you really, what sort of butterfly you want. But that, if I wanted to go from the picture, I can sort of make out what that is there. There's no numbers, like they've got numbers here, but there's no numbers up here to correspond with that as well. So they could probably do, like if I was doing a review for them, they wouldn't be getting a really good review from me. But just for a beginner, I can see the basic principles behind it. You know, I can sort of see the colors on the picture and stuff like that, and they've got the corresponding colors down here. There's no numbers on the paper either, so it makes it a little bit difficult. They could probably do their instructions a little bit better and actually have arrows with numbers. I understand they need to make a bigger picture, because doing that on a little picture, that's not going to work. It's just going to make it messy, busy, and not being able to see. But overall, I paid, I didn't bring my notes with me. I do apologize. I will put all that information down below, but it wasn't super expensive. Even with shipping, it was not expensive at all. So for a beginner to get everything that they need, apart from that one thing that's lacking, I think it's going to be great. So I'm actually going to do this for Mia, and then I'm just going to be able to pin this up on, like I'll be able to glue this to a canvas or something like that, and then put it up on her wall, cut it to size and all the rest of it. So I'm looking forward to doing it, and it may just spur me on to that new craft that I've always loved quilling, and I just thought this would be a great way to get into it. Now, their website is really easy to navigate. I believe, actually from memory, I think they were about $26, and I think shipping was included, but don't quote me on that. I will put it all down underneath this video, and you'll be able to go and find it. I am not affiliated with this group. This is just something that I seen as a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad. They have unicorns, they have tigers, they have all sorts of stuff. So there might be just something there that you might want to check out. I'm going to be doing some of this in the next couple of weeks, and I will do a video to show you how it goes together and all the rest of it. As I said, I'm not affiliated with them, so this will be definitely me in its raw form showing you how to do it. So there'll be lots of mistakes, I'm sure. I will get everything set up, and I'll just turn the camera on, and yeah, you can see how I go with it. But I am looking forward to it, because it is something that I've wanted to do for quite some time. All right, well, that's it from me today. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. As I said, I will leave all the links down below, and where you can get it from. As I said, it was just a Facebook ad that I seen, and I thought, you know what, I want to do that. I love it, and she loves butterflies, so I thought I'd get her a butterfly, and then that way she'll be happy. It'll be on her wall, and she'll love it no matter what, because Mima done it. It's not something that I would do with her. I don't think her fine motor skills are quite there yet for this sort of stuff, but given that it's got the grooves in it, I'm sure, and like, she's only 5, she's just about to turn 5, so you know, her motor skills just might not be quite there yet. But you know, for older kids that have got their fine motor skills and eye and hand coordination down pat, this would be a really good disconnect from social media, gaming, and all the rest of it, while keeping their mind engaged. And even you sitting there being able to chit chat with them and all that sort of stuff, it would make for a really good family afternoon of crafting and learning a new skill and not being on their devices. I'm all for kids learning how to have creative outlets. I've always been a firm believer in kids, academic kids especially, need that creativity, and this would be something relatively easy, but a little bit complex for them at the same time. So thank you so much for joining me. That's just my 2 cents worth. Thank you so much for joining me today. I do hope that you enjoyed this little unboxing for Saturday in the studio. I haven't had much stuff coming in. That's why I haven't had too many Saturdays in the studio, but this, I was pretty excited, and I wanted to share it with you. Have a great day, everybody, and I will see you next time I've got some unboxing to do. Bye for now.